recording this, sir.
Yes, Dhruva.
So I went here and again bought forever.
Sir, I
And
will be
pasted
doing
over here.
project issue today.
One more
Yes, we will do.
motion. And I don't remember in motions one more thing I did, but
Now you see what happens. Click green
yes,
flag and see what happens to your plane.
oh god.
Why it went back?
Sir,
Shri, any
happy
idea?
sir.
Huh?
Because the
Yes.
Now Dhruv is telling something. Dhruva, what is that?
Happy New Year. I forgot to say this.
Oh, thank you, thank you. So why is the plane going back?
because the animation goes this side and the plane is this side.
Yeah, change it now.
So how may I
You
do
should go
that,
to
sir?
costume.
Maybe this one? No. Bring this ruler inside. Oh god.
Do you want to put it horizontally?
Stop that first and take this. Yeah, okay. I'll just keep random positions.
Nitish, good morning.
Then keep this one. Take out. And keep this one. Let's take this one out and see what happens.
Hi, Kiran.
Hi, Rohan.
Yes,
Yeah, Abhineshri, you can go on mute now.
yes, sir.
Let's start with today's session. So
Good
I
morning,
want.
Kiran.
Hi, Nitish. Good morning, Nitish. Today, when is your exam?
Sir, they still didn't tell.
Okay, okay. Yeah.
Sir, for me tomorrow exam, sir.
Oh, then are you not going to study today?
Yeah, I'll leave fast only, sir. Your meeting.
Okay, okay. What do you want to learn today?
Sir, Python, sir. Because I know Scratch more than Python.
Hmm.
So Python, I don't know little bit. I don't know to do exercises of Python and also. Can you teach me, sir, that?
Yes, I can teach. Let's quickly spend some time on Python. Give me a second. Okay, let's start with Python today. Quickly spend some time on Python before we move on to other interesting stuff. Is there anybody here today who is coming for the first time? Is there anybody coming for the first time? Nagashri, is it the first time or you had come before? Krishnendu, good morning. Welcome to the session.
Hello, sir. Good morning.
So, Krishnendu, you are in which standard?
I'm in 8th, sir.
Okay, which school?
Greenwood High.
Okay, okay. So, yeah, thanks for joining. So, what do you want to learn,
No,
Krishnendu?
sir. I have joined many times, sir.
Okay, Nagashri. Krishnendu, what would you like to learn today?
I'm completely fine with anything. This is my first time here, sir. So I'm completely fine with anything. You can show me what's on the agenda, and I'm all right with it.
Okay, okay. So, yeah, do let us know. I think Pranav would have told you, right? What we do?
Yes, sir. Yeah.
Okay, okay. Good. Yeah, let's first start with a very simple Python. Let me see if I can show my Raspberry Pi. Rajesh, good morning. Thanks for joining.
Good morning, sir.
Hi, Diman. Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Hello, sir. Good morning.
Good morning, Netra. Hi, Diti. Good morning. Hi, Diti. Good morning.
Hello, sir. Good morning.
Hi, Ganesh. Good morning. Yeah, let me know. I'm now displaying my Raspberry Pi screen. Dhruva, are you able to see?
Yep, sir.
Okay. Now this is Python on Raspberry Pi.
Okay,
I'm
sir.
going to show you. What do you know in Python?
Sir, I only know how to code that to print, sir.
Okay, that means this one, right? Print.
Yes, sir.
Good morning, Dhruva. This you know, right?
Yes, sir. Only that one.
Let's see what happens. So it is asking me to save. Good morning, gmb.my. So it said good morning, Dhruva at the bottom, right?
Yes, sir. Yeah.
It's easy.
Yeah.
Then you also know a lot of other things.
Yeah.
I can say good morning 5 times,
Yeah.
right?
Yes, sir. We can do math here, sir. We can plus 5555 plus 555 plus minus, or you can do plus division and all the subtraction and all, sir, here in Python.
Yeah. Now let me also speak to other people who are
Okay, sir.
coming for the first time. Anybody else who have joined here for the first time today? Jyoti and Kavana, is it the first time or you had come before? Kavana, are you able to hear me? Savita Pradeep, is it Savita or who is there? So it will help if anybody is coming for the first time so that I can explain the basics. Otherwise, I will assume you have already attended and go to the next level. Okay, let's get going. So let me open another program which we had done last time. Let's say plot a sample. Dhruva, are you able to see this?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yeah.
What do you see? Can you read?
I can see some x points is equal to np array something and also.
Yeah, now let me run this and see what happens.
Sir, this not looks like W3 website, sir.
So this is to do a rectangle or a square or a triangle.
Yeah, Vinay. This is Dhruva. This is not W3. This is Raspberry Pi.
Okay, sir. Okay.
I am running locally.
So we can do the same thing in the w3.com, right, sir?
Yeah, that's true. Yeah, now let's understand what's happening here. Okay. Now, Dhruva, can you tell me what is this first line? Import matplotlib pyplot as plt.
I don't know, sir.
Yeah, Pranav, can you explain what is this?
Yes, sir. So what this basically does is it imports a library called matplotlib, um, and whenever you want to call the library, you can call it as PLT.
Yeah. And what is the next line? Numpy.np. Why do you need that?
That's also a similar thing. Again imports a library called Numpy as NP. And so whenever you want to call the library, you can call it as NP.
Any idea what Numpy helps?
No, sir, I've never used this library.
But you only gave me this plotting thing, no?
No, sir,
Good
I
morning,
gave it
sir.
only with Matplotlib. I never used the Numpy again.
Okay.
Sir,
Good
I
morning, sir.
Good
this
morning, Dhruva Kumari.
sir, I want to learn this, sir. If you put blue color line will come. If you put red color line will come. Like that, I want to learn, sir.
Yeah, that's easy. Let's learn much more useful one.
Okay.
Okay. For example, how did this line now? How come it is drawing from here to here? If I want to reduce it to
Can
let's
I
say
can I
half,
explain, sir?
It's 250, no, sir. You should minus it to some 25 or something, sir. If you minus it to 25, it will become small, sir. If you make more than 250, it will go big, sir.
let's see what it does now. What is it doing? Close this.
Sir, the line color is blue, no, sir. How to change the line color, sir?
No, that's easy. Now let's figure out why the line did not become half.
Uncle, that is because this is showing on a graph, and then each graph has its own positions. And then the y position is 150. We see on the y axis, we can see it's reached 150.
Yeah, you're right. So Krishnendu, you had seen this before, or this is the first time? This plotting using Python.
I've never tried it out, but I have seen a bit of it.
Yeah. So now let's use where this is useful.
Sir,
Hmm?
better way to type in Kannada, sir. So much people cannot type in Kannada keyboards, no, sir.
Hmm.
There is an app to make typing in Kannada, sir.
But Kannada Python will not understand. No.
Really, sir? Can't understand.
No. I will show you what Python Kannada. If I type Kannada, what will it do? Now I will just go back to good morning. I will just say
Sir, can you download apps in the laptop, sir?
yeah, you can download. Just give me a second.
You can download one app that will make Kannada, sir. All Kannada.
Hold on. We will do one by one. What are you seeing now on my screen?
Shubhodaya Makkale.
But it is not proper, no?
Yeah.
There is some issue, right?
Yeah. Print
Anyway,
will only understand English.
yeah, one second. What happened to this? So it typed something, right, Dhruva?
Yeah, sir.
Whether it's right or wrong, it typed whatever I gave. But I cannot say instead of print, I cannot type in Kannada. Can I?
No, sir.
Now what happens if I do that?
So because of the print which we have done, it is printing blindly like what is over there.
Type
Again,
print in Kannada, no, sir. If you type the print in Kannada, this Shubhodaya Makkalu will not run. Nothing will happen, sir.
So now I've typed print in Kannada. Now if I run, see, it gave me some error. It is shouting at me. What is it telling?
Print is not defined as it is not there in Python. If it is normal in English, we can print that like something like
Yeah,
it is
Pranav, any idea why it won't
some
understand any
wrong is
other language other than English?
Because
some wrong is there over there.
is not in its library.
Shri, why it is, can you understand only English command? Why not Kannada or French or
Because the
German?
functions which are there in its library does not contains the Kannada types one.
Yes.
It is a United Kingdom website.
No, this is not United Kingdom site. This is what the Python, whoever created, they have created using English language, English script.
Sir, so why don't we use the help of Python?
Why don't we use?
I
Why
want
don't
to
we,
learn how to make apps ourselves.
Hold on. What is Abhinay Shri?
so why don't we use the help of Python again to an app like Python with Kannada inputs, which we can do it with Kannada inputs. So
Yeah,
and so
if you want
language.
to create a Python compiler, you can do that. But people the volunteers who have created Python, okay, so they did not use Kannada. They used English
Yes,
because
sir.
English
So
is the popular language in the world. Monisha, do you have any question? I saw you have raised your hand.
I'm asking you a question, sir. That can we do like that?
Yes, you can do.
Yes, sir. I'll try down that.
Okay. So now you can do means you have to write the entire Python, how they have done it. That is, so you still
Yes, sir.
long way
Now,
to go.
just now let me just learn. Then let's try, sir.
So, but the question is, how come it is able to type which is there in double quotes, but not if I put outside double quotes, it refuses to do anything.
Sir, because which is in double quotes, it just blindly prints it. It does not take it as some function and all.
Yeah, yeah. It does not interpret what is inside double quotes. Whatever you give, even if you give Hindi, Tamil, Telugu, it will print. Okay.
Is it a French or Chinese language also, sir?
Yeah, yeah. Even you can give French or Chinese also, but it won't interpret. It will print whatever you type inside double quotes. It will print, but it won't understand. Instead of print, you cannot give anything else.
Sir, why don't we take the space
Sir,
between the full stop and the double quote?
No, I did not get you. What is that?
Yes, sir. That there, see there, Shubhodaya Makkali is there. After that, there is a full stop over there. I
Hmm.
can see a full stop. So if there is some space between that, right, sir?
No, you can remove. It does not matter. It will print whatever you give.
So if you take the space over there, I think so it will join and come, right, sir?
Yeah, now it print like this. Okay, I removed all the space and dot. Anyway, now you got how it is working. So this is reserved word. The reserved word means it has to be print only. You cannot change the language. You cannot make it uppercase also. Right? Now if I make it and this
So it
uppercase, also it will refuse. Okay. So it is case sensitive. You have to always use small letter. And now let's look at some more usage of that Python, because it's not just for fun. Let's see where it will be used. Now
yes,
let's see what Pranav had done some time back. So Dhruva, this is the Python code. This is how it is useful in the real life. It is not just used for using printing our name or doing mathematics. It can do much more. Dhruva, are you able to see my screen?
sir. So what is this one doing? This is
Yeah, I'm going to explain now. So
yes, sir.
Dhruva, are you able to see it? Dhruva, are you there? Okay, let me explain. Or Pranav, why not you explain since it's your code?
Yes, sir. So what this program basically does is, first I've created a CSV file which stores some precipitation data.
One
It's
second,
not
let me
real. It's
show
not.
that CSV file. Hold on,
Yes,
let
it's
me
not
just show.
real data. It's just like some random values which I put in over a few dates.
Hold on,
And
let me
then
just show. Let
yes,
me just show the CSV,
What is CSV, sir?
comma separated value. Hold on, let me show in the regular way without this. Don't save. Open with programming. Yeah, yeah, this is CSV. Yeah, go ahead. Can you explain what is this?
yes. So these are a few dates. Like first, I made this a few months back. So I've put some random values as precipitation data in this, and so what the program does is it reads this and finds the moving average of the data of the precipitation data. So it reads each it reads the second term in each of the lines, and it finds the average of them.
Okay, now let's see the code. Yeah, you can explain the code now.
Yes, so first, I have imported the library matplotlib. So I actually didn't import NumPy in this program.
Okay, no problem. Go ahead. Numpy, anyway, let me explain. Numpy is the library function of Python, helps you to manipulate the numbers, whether it is a matrix or whether it is arrays, etc. So there are a lot of useful functions which is useful, which I have used inside. Yeah, go ahead.
Yes, so first I've made a variable which stores the path of the CSV file. So the path is basically where the CSV file is stored, so that the program can I can tell the program that this CSV file is stored over here. Go over here and take the data, and then I have defined a function. Um, and the argument for the function is given as file. So file is basically the path. I can store the path of there, and I've just like set up a few variables in the start for the function. So first, I'm opening a file, the file as raw data. So as raw data, in the sense, I can refer to the file as raw data in the rest of the function. So if the row is zero, because the first row in the CSV file is just the heading, it doesn't actually store any data. So if the row is zero, then I'm just going to ignore the data, and then after that, I'm over here. After that, I'm stripping the lines in the at commas. So I want to make them into two separate items. First, the date, and then the actual values. So I only need the values. I don't need the date. Um, and then after that I am taking each of the values, and I'm just going to find the moving average of it. So it won't a moving average means that it won't like read all the data and then just give you the average. It first reads each line one by one. It reads each line one by one and then gives you the average. Like suppose the first line has 8 in it, with only one value it's obviously going to be 8 itself, the average. And if the second line, the value is 10, so the average of 8 and 10 is 9. So it's going to go step by step. It's not going to give you the total average at once.
Yeah, thanks, Pranav. Any idea why do we need this running average? Anybody else would like to answer this? Shri, why do you need the running average?
Sir, maybe so that we see how the improvement is there.
Yeah, for example, today it rained, let's say 10 centimeter. Tomorrow it rained, let's say it did not rain. So like that, the entire month it did not rain. So then if you say what is average rainfall, you will take the total rainfall, that is 10 mm, divided by number of days. Now let's say today it rained 10, tomorrow 20. Then average rainfall for 2 days is how much?
So 15.
Yeah. Then again, day after tomorrow it will rain again 10. That means today it's 10, tomorrow 20, third day 10. So what is the average rainfall?
So 20.
So 40 by 3, right? 20 plus 10 plus 10 divided by 3. So that's what he's doing automatically. And he's also plotting it. Now let's run this and see how it looks. Okay, now you can see it is going up and down. First it was 0, suddenly it shot up based on the first reading. Okay, this was the first reading. Now let me just bring this. Okay, yeah, now let's look at both data and the graph side by side. Okay, so ಈ ಕಡೆ data ಇದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈ graph. Let's look at the first one. 8.1, suddenly it went up to 8.1. Next one is 6. Okay, second one is 6. Okay, even though it is 6, you can see it is hovering at around 7 point something. That means he did 8.1 plus 6 divided by 2. Got it? Everybody understood? Anybody has any question?
This one I didn't understand, sir.
Where you did not understand? Do you understand on day 1? Let's look at the first point. 8.1. First point is 8.1. It is plotted properly. Is there any doubt there?
Yes, no.
Yeah, second point, it should have been
What is
6.
the graph showing? I did not understand.
Graph is showing the average rainfall data. We have only 7 days data. Over 7 days, what is the average? One is, you can, if you at the end of the on 7th day, for example, if you are on the 8th day, it's very easy for us. You take all the rainfall data and divide by 7 and say this is the average. But the advantage of this Python code is it will continuously keep plotting every day. Every day means this plot will keep changing. Now on second day, it just did the first day, that is 8.1 plus 6 divided by 2, that is about 7.05. That's what is plotted here. Third day, again plus 9 divided by 3, that is what is plotted here. Any questions?
No,
So
sir.
the community number of days, that much it will divide with the number which is given there.
Yeah, that's it. So
Okay.
that is achieved by this Python code. Easy, right?
Yes, sir.
Abhinayashri, did you understood now?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Anyway, I will share this code. You go through, and if any doubt, you can ask in the WhatsApp.
Okay, sir.
Then how do you save the data? Anybody? How do you save the data into a file?
Maybe we have to select the whole this one and click left click and do save as and just save that in desktop. Or
Yeah, you can explore using W3 W3
Also, can you
schools
go
and
to the top of the code?
what is that?
Can you go to the top, the first lines of the code?
Yeah.
Yes, sir. Angu, can we do that itself? Stat data, then you can just save it, right? There's some internal commands which I saw.
No. Here there is an open file we are using for read.
Yes, yes, uncle. But no,
Then
I'm
you
telling
have
that
to
we
no.
save
Hold
the
on.
data.
You have to open in the write mode also. As of now, you are opening it only in the read mode.
Yes, uncle.
Okay. Then you have to write or save. One of the command is there. You can check out in the W3 schools and do it.
Okay. Okay, okay.
And also to save, for example, here it just gives you the pointer, right? It did not read entire thing in one go. Similarly, when writing also, you have to write line by line, because look at this here. You got what did you get here? Okay, so now you have got this this line by line. Similarly, you have to start putting the running average by date only. That means you have to write each record by record. At the end, you have to start writing here each row by row. Then at the end, you just close the pointer. Anyway, I want you to explore. It is not means the code for writing is not here in this. So please explore and you can share in the WhatsApp. So any question, or should we move on to the next Python code? Neil, good morning. Thanks for joining.
Hi, sir. Good morning.
So Neil, how are your classes going? Is online classes still going on?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Did you do any other games?
No, sir.
So a lot of exam time, is it?
Hmm.
Okay. So anybody else has any question?
No,
No,
sir.
sir.
Okay. Dyuti, do you have any question? Dyuti, are you there?
Yes, sir. I don't have any questions.
Okay. Do you understand this Python code?
A bit, sir.
Okay. Would you like to try?
Uh, um, sure, sir.
Okay. Sure. You can try at home and let me know if you need any help. I will share the code in the WhatsApp group to everybody.
Okay, sir.
So yeah, Chetna, do you have any question?
No, sir.
Is this easy?
Yes, sir.
Okay, let me see if I can paste it in chat window. I think there is some limit. It is not saving the full code. It is saving till row is equal to 0. Let me get back. If row is equal to 0. Hold on. Yeah, I will give me a second. Once I stop sharing, I should be able to paste the full code. Any newcomers today? So that I will briefly tell you what we are doing. You can either speak or you can tell me in the chat window. Yeah, Babu. Can you speak, Babu? Babu Nimbanwad. Babu, can you unmute and speak so that I can exactly know where I need to explain?
No, sir. I am Ganesh. I just joined with my new number.
Okay. Who is Babu? Is it your name or?
Yes, sir. It's my father.
Okay. Yeah, now let me quickly show you another interesting Python code. So this will speak to me. What is this code? Yeah, can one of you explain what this code does?
Actually, that num is there, right, sir? What is it?
Where is num? You are seeing I have shown different code now.
No, normally I'm asking.
No, we will come to that. Now let's see what this code does. Anybody, any idea what this code does?
Sir, so does this code read a PDF?
Yeah, it reads a PDF. It reads page by page and it reads. Sri, can you try can you try explaining?
So I think PYTTX. I'm not sure about it, sir, but I have heard it somewhere.
No, don't worry about the first import. That is Python text to speech. Okay, that's the library where it reads, converts text into speech. Second one, it helps us to read a PDF file. Then what will the third line do?
Sir, it will open the the file you have given over there.
Yeah.
So what is meaning of RB?
It is read and one more. It is basically read mode. I can check and let you know. It is, we are telling open this file in the read mode. Okay, I will tell you what is the read mode. I can tell right away. Open. So anyway, if you get any such doubt, Dr. Google is the expert. Let me just quickly go there.
So RB reads the file in binary format.
Okay, thank you. Yeah, I think that makes sense because PDF is in binary; it's not text. So we are otherwise. What will happen is, any idea? Is it Durvankur or who answered? Pranav?
Yes, sir, Pranav.
Yeah, Pranav. What happens if I read that in a text mode?
I don't think it will register it. It won't like understand what's written.
It is not supposed to interpret text mode. What happens is every byte is a character. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Means every character you have to write, it consumes 1 byte. 1 byte is how many bits?
There are 8 bits.
Yeah, it reads every 8 bit and try to interpret and make sense out of it. What happens in binary if it reads 8 bit and try to make sense out of it?
Sir, it understands a character.
No, in the case of binary, that means now we are opening the file in the binary mode. Then it cannot, because it is not, binary means it is not stored as a character. It is not stored as this alphanumeric character. That means it will be junk. It cannot interpret. That's why we are telling don't interpret. Just read it, pass it on. Whatever it has to simply read, stores the pointer in the book, and PDF reader, that next command, line number 4, you can see it is passing on the pointer directly. That means entire book it will read and pass it on. It is not character by character or not line by line, because there is no concept of line in binary file.
So, sir, can it read any language?
Yes, because it's a binary. No, binary means it won't interpret. It will read as is, entire thing.
Sir, you are muted.
Yeah, even if it is a graphics image, it will read. So it does not care what language. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Sir,
Yeah.
I am Neil.
Yeah, Neil.
I have made a HTML project.
Wonderful. Yeah, we will see that. What does it do?
Sir, just text.
Okay. We will see that. Let me complete this and then we will see yours. Okay. So Sri, you understood, right? It can read any format.
Okay.
But it may not understand what is it, but it will read.
So it will blindly read.
It will blindly read. And it will blindly print also. They will see only junk.
Okay.
For example, if I now print after this book, okay, so it will blindly print whatever it has read. So instead, I am calling, I am extracting, I am calling a function called pypdf2. That means read the PDF. That will understand. There they have given the code how to read a PDF.
So, sir, PDF reader is a variable, right?
It's not a variable, it's a function. PDF, yeah, sorry. Yeah, that's a variable. That's an array. Okay, it has an array because it also an attribute called num pages. You just a PDF reader dot num pages, no?
Yeah.
So that is the basically. Let me see if I can print this before it happens. Then we'll see what it does.
You have to put.
Let's give a input. Is the syntax right? Input in syntax. Let's see what happens here. Okay, I have to get into my VM. So anyway, let's experiment later. Let me check quickly while we are here. Why not we try that also? Give me a second.
So I don't think you've installed PyTTSX.
Everything is installed. I have to just get into a virtual environment.
So, what are you doing now?
I'm just going to the directory where this code is there. Now I will get into my virtual environment. One second, let me just show you how it runs, then I will explain what is the virtual environment.
Okay, sir.
So now it's running. So it printed something.
Yes, sir.
Okay, what did it? Let's see the line.
So, press any key.
Yeah, that is my command, no? Here, press any key. right? But before that, I have given this print command, print PDF reader. So whatever it has in the PDF reader, it printed here, this line. py pdf.pdf.pdf file reader object at something something. So this is just an array. Then if I, next line is print pages. It is going to print the pages. If I press any key, it will print the number of pages. Number of pages is 5. Okay, so I'm able to hear it is speaking in my speaker here, but don't worry. Now let me stop this.
Okay, sir.
Trying to interrupt it. Yeah, now let me explain what is that. Sorry. What did I do? I'll explain. Yeah, Netra, would you like to
Sir,
tell
can you
what you
open
did?
it?
Pardon?
Yes, sir. So in this CD desktop means now the command prompt should go to the desktop, and in our desktop it should go to Python programs. Now when we press enter in our Python programs, whatever files are there, it tells that.
Yeah, now I'm using this source, whatever. Did you try using virtual environment?
Sir, actually now I'm facing issues because first I created a virtual environment, then I deleted it. Now this morning when I was creating, there's a line like some sudo something something sudo nano.
Hmm.
Like after that we get a file, and
Hmm.
then at the end when I type the virtual env wrapper thing,
Hmm.
and then after that nothing happens.
Okay, I will tell you. Yeah, for all others who are, this is the first time you are getting seeing the command prompt. This is, I'm using Linux. That's why you are seeing something different.
Uncle,
Yeah.
Uncle, CD is create directory, right?
No, change directory.
Changed it. Okay.
Create directory is make directory, mkdir. Okay, so now let me get back, deactivate. ls minus ls is list. ls is list. Means in Windows you have to use the dir directory, or we directly use this file manager. This file manager, you can see the both the command contents are the same. Okay, so is it also Python program? Yes, Python programs. Let's see, it's ekalavya.pdf. Where is ekalavya.pdf? It's here. Okay, I can sort by, yeah, now it is in the, you can see both are same. Using your file manager is the same, or you can just do the ls minus ls also same. Okay, now let's learn what is this virtual environment I'm using. Virtual environment, now let's say Python, if I just hit Python here, one second. Now you can see the version of the Python, it gave us 2.7.16. Whereas I want to use Python 3. In my Raspberry Pi, it is using both. I have installed, means it comes with both version of Python. For example, if I hit Python 3, it tells Python 3.7.3 is also there. So I don't want to use Python 3 always. I will, even if I use Python, I want it to give me Python 3 only. That means all the library functions which I had used. Let me just show you that. Yeah, now this Python TTX3, this is specific to version Python 3. That's what I have installed. And when I say print pages, again, this command in Python 3, we give it like this. In Python 2.7, we give it without a parenthesis, like this. So, but if you don't know in which your code is written for which version of the Python, then you will get into a lot of issues. So instead, we always write for Python 3 and use Python 3. Okay. So now how do you ensure you without any issues? One second. Without any issues, if you want it to use Python, then we what we have done is we have used this virtual environment. Now let me show you how it works. Now first, don't worry about what I'm going to use. I will just use work on SPK. Now you saw on the command prompt left side, SPK came. I have created a virtual environment called SPK. I just said work on the virtual environment called SPK. So that's all you know for now. Once you start using it yourself, then you will understand better. Now I will just say Python and see, I will get Python 3, even though I just type Python 3.73. Because in this virtual environment, I have asked, while creating this virtual environment, I have asked it to use only Python 3. So whatever I do in this virtual environment, it is specific to whatever I have installed. So now I can call any of these functions. So Netra, probably after this, you can call me when you are doing, we can do it together and set it up.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So enough of Python for now. Any questions on these things? Don't worry if you are new, we will help you how to understand from the basics of the Python. So now we will move to some other interesting things. For example, we will see something in Scratch. Any questions? Ravi Teja, I'm not able to hear you. You can text me. You can text in the chat window. Raviteja, I saw your question, how to add photo to upload the PDF. That you can do in any software. For example, in Word also you can do. You can save any Word document as PDF. That's one way of doing it. Even other graphics editors also allows you to save it as a PDF. Okay, now let's see some interesting world of Scratch. Before that, let's see what our friend Neil has done. Neil, would you like to share your screen and show us what you have done?
Okay, sir.
Neil, you are in 6th standard now, is it?
No, third.
Okay, 3rd. Wonderful.
Can you see?
Yes, I can see. What is this rock? And there is a lot of fog around the rock.
There, that is background.
Okay, okay. That looks like a mountain peak.
Huh. So
Yeah.
this is the which
HTML.
I made the box.
Yeah, show me, run it and show me.
1 second. Can you see, sir?
Yeah, I can see it. Fluorescent green block with Neil and Yuvin. Tell me. Explain what magic you did. How did you do it?
First, I made the HTML things.
Yeah.
Then I made the style, means the CSS.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, go ahead. Where is CSS code here?
Hello, sir. I'll just come back in another 10 minutes.
No problem. Yeah, no problem, Diti. Yeah, Neil.
Here, sir.
Okay, what does CSS code do?
Here the style I have put. In this I have used div tag also.
Wonderful. So how do you change the color from fluorescent color if you want, let's say, red color? How do you do it? Or white color?
Sir, you have to type just background color.
Hmm.
Suppose like this. 1 second. See, this will only come like background color.
How do you make it white now?
If we click this,
Hmm.
the option will come.
Use that corn silk. It looks like white.
Where?
Corn silk. Third
Oh,
one from
yeah.
bottom. Yeah, yeah. Okay.
Cancel.
Yeah. Now let's
If
run
you
this and
don't
see.
want, you have to
Oh, okay. You can choose. Okay.
Sir,
just go
actually
like
this
this.
works in VS Code only. But if we use any other code editor, suppose we use even our normal notepad, we have to type in the colors. And we
Yeah.
won't
Yeah.
get any such suggestions also.
Yeah. Yeah. Anyway, VS Code is free. We can use VS
Yes,
Code.
sir. I will show you.
What happened?
See, this
Right.
one.
Yeah. Corn silk. We got it. Very nice. How do you increase the font of Neil? Neil is coming very
Font,
small.
this is font. You have to not use P. This is paragraph.
Now, how do you make it bold and
We
big?
use H2.
Wow.
Here also H2. H2.
So,
Yeah.
but bold does not work with
Now,
headings because headings are already in bold.
sir. Now,
Uncle, you what you can do is you can you can enclose it in B and slash B. That is bold.
can you see, sir? I think you are muted. Sir. Sir. Sir, are
Sir.
you there? Sir, are you there? I'll do it H1.
Okay.
H1. 1.
No, the H is in capital. Make it small.
Oh, yeah. 1 here. H1. Yeah.
Oh, cool.
Little bigger.
Yeah, yeah. Very nice. So what else you
If
can
we
do with this?
use paragraph,
Huh?
it will be like this.
Yeah, yeah.
Uncle, but if you want the paragraph bold, you can put a B tag.
Yeah, try that. Let's see.
Right after P, before you win,
Yeah.
you can make one more tag called B. Just go there after that P tag. Yeah,
Yeah.
here. And then make a tag called B, like in the two signs you can put. Yeah, B. Yeah, and then close it. And then put that /b after you win.
/b after.
And now you can try it. Yeah, it came in bold.
Yeah, that's true.
This is the app called Visual. One second.
Visual Studio Code.
Yeah, Visual Studio Code.
Yeah, very nice. So how long it took for you? Third standard it must be.
1 hour.
Sir, there's an extension called. Sir, wait 1 minute. I'll open mine. Sir, you can. There's an extension there. You can go and like you can make it live in Chrome. Like you were editing in the VS Code, and the changes will be made suddenly. Sir, you don't need to refresh again and again.
Okay. Well, very nice.
Sir, this I made the paragraph.
Mm-hmm.
I'll show you. 1 second. No. Yeah.
Wow. It became so big now.
This is H1.
Mm-hmm.
This is H2. This is paragraph.
Very good. Where did you learn all these things? Did you use W3 schools?
No.
Use it, no?
In Udemy.
Udemy. Okay. W3 schools is also nice. Have you tried it?
Yeah.
So there also you can get a lot of interesting easy things. Okay.
Yeah.
Now let me show you one very interesting thing. Okay, can you just give me control? Yeah, let me just share. So now you see, I have also used HTML only here. Neil, are you able to see?
Yes, sir.
Now you can see I made 2 boxes and I'm able to control the content of the box. That means from my pollution sensor, I am able to read the value and I can refresh the value.
Okay.
And it will always be in the center, even if I reduce the width. Okay. So like this, I can control. Then I can also do this in my mobile phone. Okay, let me just, yeah, let me just bring it on my mobile and show you. Hold on.
What is the difference between those two boxes?
Yeah, I will show you. Wait. Now you are able to see my mobile, right? I will bring up the same site on my mobile. Now I'm running that on my Raspberry Pi. And give me a second. Yeah, now you can see it is also showing on my mobile. You're able to see?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now let me, Shri, to answer your question, there are 2, the pollution is measured by 2 important parameters. Anyway, there are many parameters. On the bottom, you are seeing PM 2.5.
Sir, can you show the code?
Yeah, I will show you. Give me a second. let me just explain what are these two content. Then I'll show you the code. So yeah, Sri, the first one is PM 2.5 means the particulate matter which is less than 2.5 microns in size. There are 125 of them in my room now. And PM10 is 10 microns. That means they're slightly bigger than this, which you cannot see, but we are breathing. It goes into our lungs when you're breathing. There are 78 of them. Okay, this actually, it is an old value. Currently, I'm seeing my sensor, it's about 27. Okay, so in this season, it also goes if somebody is burning some garbage, then it can go up to 300. Then it is very bad. Sri, any questions on this?
So what is the difference between this? I did not understand.
One is the smaller particle, 125 is the smaller particle, that is 2.5 microns. 78 is the bigger particles, that is 10 microns. You understood? Can you repeat? Your voice is breaking. Shri, you have to type. I'm not able to make out anything. Your bandwidth seems to be low. Type in the chat window. In the meantime, I will show my source code. Yeah, that's all the source code, Neil. Let me see if I can zoom it. But anyway, it is happening because of my CSS code. But actual PM 2.5, that AQI label, I will also show you the CSS code. Okay, here I'm using whatever the label, these div classes you are seeing here. And I'm also using a JavaScript to refresh the value. Now let me show you the CSS code. So what is that CSS I'm using? Style.css and AQI.js. Style.css. Yeah, this is slightly complex. If you want, I can share this code with you. You can have a look at it and call me if you have any doubts. Okay?
Okay, sir.
And also I have done another interesting website using on same Raspberry Pi only. For example, if I go into this one I had shown earlier, I will share this code also. Now look at this, how you can again use the same HTML only. If you click any photo, it will expand. And if I click again outside, it will go back. Then if I do hover here, you can see it green becomes white and white becomes green. So this magic also you can do in CSS and HTML. Then at the bottom, you can also do these nice fonts. And you can give a nice ellipse around it, even though this is the same square photograph only, but you can give a nice frame. So I will share the code. You can also learn from this. Then you can also give all the Facebook, Twitter, Instagram.
Okay.
And whenever I hover a color, it changes into the respective logo.
Okay, sir.
So yeah, this is the advantage. Thanks for taking the first step. Now that you are interested, you can go to the next level. Any questions? Anybody else who is seeing this? Krishnendu, do you have any question?
No, sir, none right now.
Do you like it?
Yes, sir. It seems fulfilling. I think I can come.
Okay. Is it too difficult or too easy? Or what do you feel?
Pardon me, sir.
Is it too easy or is it too difficult?
I wouldn't say it's too difficult. It's mediocre actually. It's in the middle.
Okay, it's not too easy also, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, intentionally we play in between. If it is too easy, then also it will become boring, right?
Yes, sir. Yeah.
So yeah, Sri, you joined back. What were you asking?
No, sir, the numbers which you were showing at 125 and 78,
Hmm?
were they randomly or were they real ones?
Yes. No, in this case, it is not real because my sensor is not working. Otherwise, once I connect my sensor, I have not connected my sensor. If I connect my sensor, it will show the real one. Give me 2 minutes. Let me see if I can connect it right away. Then you can see the real one. Give me 2 minutes. Yeah, this is the sensor. Okay. This is how it looks. And it goes into Raspberry Pi here. It has a USB. Okay. And it has a pump. This is a fan. And this has means it sucks the air from this side. You can see the tube. Okay. And it leaves this side, back side, means it keeps sucking and it tests inside this. Okay. There's a sensor inside this. Then it sends the value through this. Okay. Then it will keep refreshing. Just give me a second if I can make this work.
क्या लगाने वो मुझे इतना सा खुशी देगा So,
Yeah. Just give me a second. I want to run that command.
sir, are you sharing your screen?
No, not yet. I'm just trying to find which command I should run to activate the sensor. Give me a second. Somebody had muted me. Give me a second.
Excuse me, sir.
Yeah.
So can we explore HTML in W3 schools?
Yeah, it's meant for that only.
Okay.
Yeah, probably. Anybody else would like to demonstrate the work you have done? In the meantime, I will figure out how to activate the sensor.
Sir, I made a very basic code in code.org. It's
What is
like
the
if you
what will that do?
like if you press run, it will a box will appear. Sir, you are muted.
Sri, can you share your screen and show us what you have done?
Okay, sir, but it's a very basic program. Wait. Okay, this screen. Yes, sir, can you see my screen?
Yeah, it's coming up.
Sir?
It's coming up.
Yes, sir. So, the code is like if you press on run and then you have to press on button, this box will appear.
No, hold on. It's not yet shown. Can you? We are seeing only the participants. Shift to your browser. Yeah. Now we can
Wait,
see.
just a second. Yeah.
Yeah, now we
So
can see.
the program is like if you press on run and if you then this box will appear.
Mm-hmm.
Yes, sir, I could only do that.
Okay, will it run on your mobile also?
I have not tried that.
Sir, it can run on your mobile also.
Yeah. Can you tell us how do you do it?
So first we have to click on share, and then if your phone has any barcode reader, so we can directly read the barcode and we'll sorry, it will read the QR code and we can directly open the link. Else we can copy the link and we can send it to our phones
Oh, wonderful. Click on
through
share. Let's
WhatsApp,
see.
Gmail, or whatever.
Yeah, click on share, Sri.
Yeah. Yes, sir.
Sir, actually send to phone is only for the US phone numbers.
Oh, okay. But this QR code, can we scan?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, that's also a good idea. Hold on, just keep the display on. Let me try and share in my scan in my phone. Let me see if it works in my phone. Okay, I think it's asking me to install the web app. Oh no, I can see the button. Yeah, it works. You can see my, yeah, you can see that. In my,
Sir, actually I wanted, yes. Sir? Sir, are you there?
yeah. Or any questions, Sri? This is working. It's a good starting point. Thanks, Netra, for the tip. Now I'm able to run Sri's code on my mobile. That's good. So what all you have to
Sir,
do? Just the right
actually,
side. What you have done, is it? Hide element, text area, on event. That's all right. That 5 lines.
Sir, actually, yeah. Actually, I did to make one complicated
Yeah, Sri,
so I
your
want to do the
voice is going up and
designing.
down.
So
Probably.
now, sir, is it fine?
Sri, your voice is going up and down.
Now it's fine. Hello?
Yeah.
Now it's fine.
Yeah, now it's better.
Yeah, so sir, that is a bit basic one which I made, but I wanted to make a complicated one. So I did not do it. I just do the I just to do the designing video. Can I show you that?
Yeah. Go ahead and show me.
So this is this. loading. I don't know what is. I wanted to do click on run and I select like I
No, your voice
wanted
is
this to
again
show
breaking.
the so
Your,
now
no, your voice is breaking. Your voice is breaking.
Now can you hear me?
I can hear
Hello?
you, but it is going up and down.
Let me just check my network.
Hello, can you speak now?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
I am.
Yeah, tell me what you want to do next. You wanted to do some complex one. That's what I heard.
Yeah. What I wanted to do was if this show table select like November and I click on but I find it a bit
No, we are not able to make out anything. You have to type in the chat window.
Uncle, can I show my database code?
Yeah. Shri, you have to type in the chat window. We are not able to understand.
okay, sir.
Okay, in the meantime, we will see what Sohan has done. Sohan, yeah, go ahead.
Can you see, Uncle?
It's coming up.
Yeah. Can you see it now?
Yeah, you can switch the screen. We are seeing your desktop.
Yeah, so this is my, it's a, with HTML I made this, it's an order form.
Mm-hmm.
So I'll enter my name, Sohan, and then at gmail.com, any email.
Mm-hmm.
And then I've just put 4 products right now. I'll put Rorito pen and I'll put quantity as 10.
Mm-hmm.
And then I'll enter my address 555 Shobha.
Mm-hmm.
And then Bangalore, Karnataka. And then I'll choose my country, India.
Mm-hmm.
Now I'm making that use current location one using geolocation. It's not done yet.
Mm-hmm.
But now if I submit, it's taken the order and you can see in this database, it's showed up. The address, city, country, email, and all, or whatever is required for this order.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, so this is the database, Firebase, Google one.
Oh, cool.
So this is the order details.
Mm-hmm. Now add a second one. Let's show me how it is showing.
Yeah, I'll do all the details as same, but I'll change the product.
Mm-hmm.
I'll enter 5, and then I'll put same things. Karnataka, India. I put submit. You can see the green color thing, meaning it's been appended.
Mm-hmm.
So now you can see all the things which are the details.
Okay, wonderful. Yeah, now show the code.
Yeah.
And can you tell us more about the how this Google database?
Yeah. So I'll open this in a new tab. So it's called console.firebase.google.com. So this is it's an online database. So I just show you another project.
Mm-hmm.
So add a project.
Okay.
Yeah, I'll just show one. One. Then continue. I'll remove this. They'll ask for all the whatever we want. So it's creating the project. By that time, I'll show the code.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. So this is the code, Uncle.
No. Well, exactly. How do you point to this database? How do you do it?
Oh yeah. Yeah, I'll show that. So that is using JavaScript I've done. I'll just show it to you. If you go, these are all the countries. So you can see I've instead of in Python it's called importing. Here it's using script sources.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. So then I've got the source as firebase.app and firebase database. So now we just got all the information from the database.
Okay.
Connected. These two are connected. Now we are
Mm-hmm.
going to configure it. So
Mm-hmm.
if you see the project is ready over here, if I
Mm-hmm.
put continue, you can add an app. So
Mm-hmm.
that's why I've imported something called Firebase app.js.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. So now whenever you start, whenever you make the database, you'll get this configuration. You have to copy and paste this.
Mm-hmm.
These are all the details. You can see the API key, the domain, the URL, and the IDs. So these are all very important, and we should initialize the program in the database.
Okay.
So using all these details, we initialize. Then we have created a variable over here. Database is equal to firebase.database. So now there's
Mm-hmm.
a new variable,
Mm-hmm.
an order reference. So
Mm-hmm.
if you see over here in this, there's something over here called orders.
Mm-hmm.
This one. So now we refer to that orders. You can see ref over here. So we refer to whatever is under the orders. So now for now it is empty. So that's why I've used dot push.
Mm-hmm.
So it pushes all the information. You can see here dot set and then the name, whatever they've entered in the name input, and then the email. So all these things will go into the database.
Okay. Okay. The dot push will save it to database, is it?
Yeah. So dot push is pushing all the data from the website which I have made to the database.
Okay. Okay. Got it. How do we learn this? Is there any HTML URL where we can you paste it in the chat window?
Yeah, I'll do that now, uncle. Wherever I got to know about it. Should I stop presenting?
Yeah. Yeah. Thanks. Yeah. This is a very nice one. So that folks, you might find it a bit difficult, but don't worry. The advantage with this is the rainfall data which I showed you. There we are reading from a text file, and I had asked you to write to a text file. Then text file disadvantage is then it will be there in your local drive only. Whereas what he's showing is how to save to a cloud. He's using the Google Cloud and also database provided by Google. So advantage with that is then you should be able to access that from anywhere. Once you write it, even if you're not at home, you can access the data from your mobile phone also, and not necessarily you need to be connected to your Raspberry Pi, which is at your home. Only data stays on the Google, so that your home network is safe. Okay, this is a interesting thing which you can pursue depending on your interest. Okay, thanks, Sohan. If you can share that in the chat window, if those who are interested, we can learn.
Yes, uncle.
Pranav is asking, can you change the type of data stored in each field such that change one type stored in quantity to integer instead of string? Pranav, answer is yes. You can decide what data type for each of these attributes. That's the advantage of database. So Sri is asking, I want to make a program which shows the timetable of November if I click on November, and show timetable of December if I click on December. Yeah, that's a nice project, Sri. If you want, Netra can help you. So you can get in touch with Netra.
Yes, sir, sure.
So yeah, what she's asking is click on a button, November.
Yes, sir, I got it. I got it.
It should be very simple.
Sir, I
Sir,
had
just now I found a method how to create a Python virtual environment, and it's quite simple.
Yeah, that's good. Yeah, Chetna, you were asking something?
no, sir. I actually had built an app in code.org. Can I show it now?
Yeah, please go ahead.
Yes, sir. Are you able to see?
Yeah. What does it do? First explain what does it do.
Sir, no, sir. It's just a shopping app.
Mm-hmm.
Um, it's just like you're shopping some fruits, and
Mm-hmm.
then it will be added to your cart.
Mm-hmm.
Then you'll check out.
Mm-hmm.
That's what I've done till now.
Mm-hmm.
I'll just run it.
Yeah.
Okay. So now it asks for a username. If I don't give it, it says I have to give a username to continue. So I'll be redirected to the home screen, and now I can go to the basket one, and I'll select this one. And if I press checkout, it will give whatever I have selected and proceed. Yes, sir, I've done till now, till here.
Okay. Wonderful.
Uncle, this is very nice. So, if you just go to that share button on the top, if you can just press that,
Yeah.
yeah, and then you can copy this link, and then you can that link over there, and then you can put it into full screen. That's in Google, in a new tab.
Yeah,
Okay.
you can copy that link, go to a new tab, and you can paste it.
So that we can see the full view of the mobile, is it?
Yes,
Yes, uncle.
sir.
Only the mobile.
Yeah.
Set
Just
up
do it.
only.
Let's see.
Yes, sir. Just a second. I'll stop sharing.
So could I get Netra's email ID?
Yeah. She will just. Yeah. I will give it to you.
Yes, sir. Now I'll present it. Oh, just a second. Sir, are you able to see my screen?
Yeah. 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 Nice. I can see your full mobile.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Very nice. You have made a full-fledged e-commerce portal.
Thank you, sir.
How did you go about it? Can you tell us so that other children also can learn?
Yes, sir. Actually, I wanted to build an app
Hmm.
because I wasn't doing anything else.
Hmm.
So I just thought, why not make a shopping app? Because everyone was doing that. So I
Hmm.
thought, why not make it? Yeah, I actually learned while doing this. I didn't copy from anybody's, or I didn't actually take away from anybody else's. I just learned it by myself, by all.
Wonderful. But how do somebody else has to start? Where do we start? How do we know how to arrange these catalogs? How do you get these tick boxes?
It's actually like they must start small. Yeah, they have to start building something small, like how Shri did those boxes thing.
Hmm.
They learn it, sir. It's really easy.
Okay, okay, that's nice. So another question was how long it took for you?
So about 2 weeks, because
Okay.
I wasn't actually putting my full time on it.
Oh, that's nice.
Yeah, if you um, put full time, it will take only about 3 to 4 days.
Yeah, that gives us confidence. So yeah, I think now others can try before during this week and come back next week and show us. Now, any idea how do you remove this white background? The pictures, it looks like pasted, no?
Yes, sir. I actually wanted to do that, but I didn't get it.
But
How?
do you know how to do it?
No.
Yeah, there is a very interesting option. That's an interesting thing. Let me just show you quickly. Shall I
Okay.
share my screen?
I'll stop presenting.
Yeah, yeah. Now let me first share my entire screen so that you know what exactly I'm doing. So I will go to Google and search banana images. Let me pick this one and just say save image as desktop banana. Okay, now let me just let this be here. Now I will go to Photopea. This is again free and anybody can access. I'll just say open desktop banana 1.jpg. Now you can see white. One option, easiest option is go to select and say magic cut. It has done the magic. It has removed the white. You're able to see it?
Yes, sir.
Now I can say okay. That means my background has gone. Now I can just save as again file export as now this is the trick. You have to export as PNG, portable
Uncle,
network graphics.
Uncle, you could also do it in Paint 3D. Oh, but you are using Mac.
Yeah. So yeah, anyway, this works on Mac and Windows, Linux, everywhere. So use this PNG option only so that then it won't add any white background. If you use JPG, then it will add white background. Then you just say yes, and now you got it. Banana.png is without any background. For example, now I will open, just for showing, let me open this one. Yeah, let me just bring it banana on this today's invite only. You can see insert, choose, downloads banana. Cool, no?
Yes, sir.
Now I will get the original banana which I downloaded and you can see the difference. Open, sorry, insert, choose, desktop banana. Yeah, this is the original banana. That is this looks cool, right? It neatly blends into the background. Then if you do this, your app will look like Amazon app only. There is nobody can differentiate.
Yes, sir. Thanks for the tip, sir.
Uncle, it's even there on code.org only. If you go to the animation tab, you can choose something called
Can you
transparent
show it?
color.
Can you show it?
Yeah.
I will stop sharing.
Yes, Uncle.
Yeah, I think that is better. If code.org already gives, let's use that.
Yeah, Uncle, I'll share. I made a game and then when I was getting the characters, I saw that there was a background in them. So instead, I thought that if you can see here,
Yeah.
this is
No.
one
Pick one image and show us how to remove that.
Yeah, okay. I'll take this image. This is just a normal image. Now I'll fill it with, let's say, black color.
Yeah.
One second. I'll fill it with some other color, like red or something.
Sir, but actually this is in Sprite Lab and not in App Lab.
How does it matter?
I've
Sir,
not used App Lab, that's why I don't know. But Sprite in Game Lab, I do this.
No, that's okay. No, you can do either way, no? Chetna?
sir, but in App Lab, if it doesn't support this, then we can't insert it there, sir.
No, there's anyway, I'm sure you should be able to export this once you edit it here.
Yeah, you can
Even
export
you
the
can do it
video.
even in Scratch also.
Yeah, that's true.
Then if you choose this instead of red color, you can use this color, which is 0000. I press this and then I fill it and then it just becomes transparent. So you can see it's not no background, it's only that.
Cool. Thank you.
Yeah.
Sir, are we going to do Project Cuckoo today?
Today, I think it's 12:30. Once again, I can just show you about it. Before that, let me show you about the air quality. Let me share again. Yeah, are you able to see my screen?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now you can see
Yes, sir.
the fog. I think this might be Hong Kong or no, it's not Hong Kong. Hong Kong doesn't have the snow power covered, maybe in US. Okay, now let's see Santiago, Chile. Okay, now you can see human hair. Compared to that, sand is 90 microns. PM10 is less than 10 micron. PM2.5, you can see the comparative difference. The blue one is PM10. Compared to human hair, the blue one is PM10, that is 10 micron dust. And the red one are PM2.5, it's combustion particles, that means in the exhaust gas or organic compound metals, etc., it is 2.5. Means when you burn some garbage, you will get this PM2.5. So unfortunately, no, we cannot see that by our eye, and we will continue to breathe. Look at how small it is compared to human hair. Okay, now this is not good. It's not healthier if it is too much of them in the air. In air, it increases because of this pollution. One is the exhaust, vehicle exhaust, or because of the burning of the crops, burning of garbage, etc. It comes, or by bursting the crackers. This red particle will increase and it is harmful, especially people with breathing issues, asthma, etc. They will feel suffocated. Now here it is. Okay, why is it important to care about these particulate matter? Okay, it goes and deposits in these tubes of our when we are breathing, and look at it where all it can go and deposit. Once it goes inside, we cannot bring it out. Okay, only it should come back in the air only, but if it settles there, then you will have trouble. Then we cannot absorb oxygen in the air. So this is how the sensor works. Just now I showed you the sensor. This is inside part of that. Okay, don't worry about it. Now let's look at how it helps, how it can capture these particles. Okay, it uses a laser light inside, and depending on the intensity, it will interpret as how much it is, like this. Okay, this is how you connect to Raspberry Pi. Then this is the code. Don't worry about this for now. I will share this URL. If any of you interested, you can buy this sensor from Amazon. It's available for about 400 rupees. Okay, then here is the air quality index. 0 to 50. Today, my sensor is showing 29, so it is quite healthy. In Delhi, whenever there is a problem, it should be in this purple and this maroon round, 200 to 300 or beyond 300. That's why in Delhi they are banning even the vehicles alternate days, etc. Okay, this is how it will show. Okay, don't worry, I will just send you this code. So like this, you can just make it modular, and so that you can take it wherever you want to take, in the car or in the kitchen. Then you can make your own portable pollution measuring device. Look at it, they have put one pollution measuring on outside behind the scooter, and it will, when you start the scooter, it will increase the pollution level like this. Then using barbecue, etc., if it is close by, that will also increase the pollution like this. Wood burning. So any questions?
No, sir.
Shri, any questions?
Sir, and just now I found the method. Can I show you if it's correct?
Yeah, go ahead.
Sir, can I start sharing?
Yeah.
Yes, sir. Just a minute. Sir, can you see my screen?
Yeah.
Okay, sir. Sir, so like this is the method I found out. There's no need of any pip install or anything.
Mm-hmm.
So CD and wherever I want it. Oh, sorry.
You can hit tab also, it will autocomplete.
Oh, okay. Then after this, Python 3, then minus M, VE and V, and the project name. Suppose I want it as XYZ. And then when I hit enter, it takes a few seconds. And then after that, we'll find it. Yeah. And then to activate it, source, the project name, XYZ, then slash.
No, spelling not correct. You made it ZYZ.
Oh, sorry. XYZ slash bin slash activate. Okay. Yeah, so now it's activated.
Mm-hmm.
And then when I type Python and check the Python version, I get it as 3.7.3.
Yeah. Now we can go and install any package in this virtual environment. And then
Okay,
we can,
sir.
for example, as of now, we will not have that text to speech PDF reader. So now we
Okay.
can install. Not here. You have to get out of Python. You are in Python in shell now.
Oh, yeah, sorry.
Hit exit, open bracket, close bracket. Yeah. Now you are still in the
Yeah.
virtual environment called XYZ. Now you can install whatever package you want.
It's Python text to speech version 3. Okay. Okay,
Yeah. Now it will be available. Now we can go and use it. That's good. Thanks for the tip.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. Go and experiment and show us what you do.
Yes, sir. And even like once we deactivate this, just a minute. Okay. So still we can use the same thing like so for CD desktop, and then after that source XYZ bin slash activate, it will work.
Yeah. Now anyway, source has already taken. You can just say activate. It will or work on. You just say work on. Type work on XYZ.
XYZ.
That's it.
Actually, it does not work here.
You don't know.
So
Okay.
here
Just
it
type that
works
source.
source.
No, just
Source
okay.
XYZ bin activate.
Spelling. Activate spelling is wrong.
I'll just
Just
copy
hit
it.
top arrow. It will recall the old command. Then you can edit. That's also.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, so again it's activated.
Okay. Cool. Have fun.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now let's get back quickly to Project Cuckoo. Shri, till what you understood about Project Cuckoo? Because I have done some, the next step, I will show you what I have done.
Sir, I was not. I tried to read it, but as it was a PDF, I could not read it. Then I copied it and saved it as a notepad file. But when I saved it, it was like it was not in Kannada and it was in some randomly English letters, so I got confused.
Can you show me your screen and show me your code?
Okay, sir. Let me just share my screen. Just a second. I will just open Notepad and wait a second, sir. Let me just open it. Mm, Wait a second. Yes, sir.
Now, can you share your screen so that we know what you're
Can you
doing?
see my
Not yet. Please share it.
yeah? So can you see my screen? Yes, sir.
Not yet.
Now, sir. Now.
No.
Wait a second.
Yeah, it's coming up now.
Yeah.
Yeah, you have to shift to your browser window or whichever window. Now we are seeing your desktop.
Yes, sir. Now can you see? Sir.
Hmm? No.
Sir. You see my screen now?
Looks like you have bad internet. Yeah, now I can see your desktop. Yes, I can see the PDF.
Yes, sir. So,
Open. This is okay. Then
I tried using the PDF. Wait a second. I'll just put the name.
okay. Anyway, sorry. I had to tell you that you need not have to read PDF. I will give you the text file. Yeah, I got the problem. I will give you the text file. I have the text file. Don't worry.
So how will you give me?
I will give you on WhatsApp or email,
So how?
whichever way.
Okay, sir. So email with you.
Yeah, you can WhatsApp me your email ID. I will send you by email. Or even in text, if I send you on WhatsApp, you can open WhatsApp on your laptop and download. You know how to do that? Shri, do you know how to download the attachment which I send on WhatsApp onto your mobile? Sorry, on your laptop?
Yes, sir. Maybe I can email it from my mobile on my laptop.
Yeah, don't worry. I will send you the text file. I will show you what I have done. Just give me a second. I will share my screen now to show how I have what output I expect you to do it. I will give you the text file. Okay, give me a second.
Yes, wait, sir. Let me just check.
Just give me a second. I'm just opening the file.
Okay, sir. So did you send it in WhatsApp?
No, 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 I'm just opening and explain so that all of you can see it.
Okay, then you're going to send, right?
Yeah, then I will send it.
ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಇದೆಯಾ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಇಷ್ಟ ಬಂದಂಗೆ ಮಾಡಿ.
Let me just share my screen. ಯಾರಿಗಾದ್ರು ಏನಾದ್ರು ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ ಇದೆಯಾ? Yeah. Can you see my screen now? This is already sorted.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now let me just show you from the top. On the left side, I have got, those of you can understand Kannada. Let me read it out for you. So left side, as you can see, it is Samputa Muru Puta 125. That means it's about which edition is that and what page is that. And then is the date. Then is the topic, Samshodhane Swarasya Jananudi Tunturu Suddhigalu and all. Then the next one is the details. So what exactly is covered in the file? Vignanakke Dharmada Lepa Kottava, Chinage Banda Hosamari. Then the last one is who is the Rachana is created by, like Kollegala Sharma. Prastuti is who narrated it. So that's what I was able to extract. I want you to learn this also. Now let me just share this source file. Okay. So this text file I will share on WhatsApp as a text file.
Sir,
So
will
Shri,
we have to download?
pardon?
Sir, will we have to download it then?
No, don't worry. I will just send it by WhatsApp. Okay. Then you can figure out, then you can read in Python line by line the code. Your code will work, whatever code you had shown me, because I'm going to give you the text file. It is not a binary file. PDF is a binary file. That's where you had the problem. So now you have to extract these colored ones. You can just copy paste and you can search as a string in your Python. Then try whatever problem you face, you just let me know. Okay. Then those of you are the newcomers, this is how we are going to use it. Let me just bring that scratch. We are going to give create the initial menu like this so that the teachers can so it will look like this when I play it. Please select your language. If I select 2, it will say you have chosen 2. Then as soon as I press 1, it will start reading. Okay, so this is how we can do it. Or there is another interesting option called you can build the menu. Let me just show you how to build it. Yeah, you can build menu like this. Shri, are you able to see it?
Yes, sir.
This you can build in Scratch using the code. Okay, you need not this. That means you can build it runtime. I will show you in the next class how to do this. Okay. So any doubts? That's all I wanted to cover today. It's already 1 o'clock.
Okay, sir. And sir, you send that text file, okay?
Yeah.
Thank you, sir.
Manasvi, did you do any more Sonic Pi or Scratch? Manas?
Sir, she went down, sir.
Pardon?
She went down.
Okay.
Someone has called, she went down.
No
Just
problem.
now she went down.
No problem. Is she continuing to do Scratch or Sonic
Yeah,
Pi?
she's doing some scratch products and all.
Oh, wonderful. Yeah, she can share once she creates, and also she can ask if she needs anything more.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Okay. Thank you all. Let me know if there is any question. Savita Pradeep, is it your son? Who is there? Or is it Pradeep? Okay. Thank you and have a nice evening. See you all next week.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Wish you the same.
Bye-bye.
Sir, and now as I have created my virtual environment, now what else can I do?
You can do a lot of things. For example, even that rainwater thing. Did you understood completely?
Yes, sir, I got it.
Yeah. Can you try plotting it? If you want, I
Okay,
can give
sir.
you this rainwater sample data for. I have a lot of entire month data. I
Yes,
can give
sir.
it to you.
Did you call me, sir?
What?
Sir? Sir,
Hold
this
on.
is Manas. Did you call?
Yeah. I just asked you what more did you do any more things on Sonic Pi or Scratch?
Sir, I am doing one more project. So tomorrow it will get finished.
Mm-hmm.
So now I'm just working on it. Should I show that project, sir?
Yeah. Why not you show it?
Sir?
Yeah, show it.
Yes, sir. I will share the screen.
Yeah.
Sir, that one which the story.
Yeah, show it.
Yes, sir. 1 second. Sir, sir, is it visible now?
Yes.
Yes, sir. 1 second.
Sir, will you please share the recording of today's session?
Yeah, I will share it.
Thank you, sir.
Yes, sir. One minute. Just a second. Sure, sir. So shall I play?
Yeah, before this, can you tell us why did you choose to do this?
Sir, because I like the story and the moral of the story, so I wanted to create this in scratch. Do the
Okay.
animation for it.
And you also wanted to
And I
give it.
wanted to help the blind people, sir.
Okay. Then question, how do the blind people play this? Can they see the green flag?
Sir, I don't
Sir,
know.
instead it can be like we can press any key to start it.
How do you
Yes,
press
sir.
any key?
So we can make a code in such a way that when like space key pressed, then it will start.
How do you see the space key on your mobile phone?
Sir, it will be big, no, sir.
No, on your mobile phone.
So that I don't know.
I think no.
So like when the switch, like the button when we press the mobile gets on, that
Or we
like
could do
when we
like
press
when any alphabet is pressed.
The blind people means they cannot see anything. No, how will they know where is the alphabet?
So which alphabet
Yes,
is in the
sir.
first? That alphabet we could do, no, sir.
That's a good idea. Which alphabet is in the first on your
So
keyboard?
it is Q. Q.
Yeah,
like
that's
otherwise
cool.
I
Yeah,
have
you
one
can
more
feel.
idea. So
They can press the first key. So
Hold on, Sri was telling
yes,
something. Yeah,
sir.
Sri.
So if we see the J, it has some bump thing, right? So they can press that.
Yeah, that's also a good idea. Anyway, you can do for both Q or J, right?
yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Or even F has a bounce.
Yes, sir.
How
Sir,
do you
is
do it?
there
Can you do it? It takes 30 seconds to do it. Instead of green flag, can you just change it?
Yes, sir. One second.
sir, is there anything like voice command or something?
Voice command is there. Let's see if there are any experts in voice command. Duty had done with voice command.
Sir, is
But
it allowed to
for
scratch?
Yes, sir.
voice
We could do like
to
this.
recognize it has to first
Press.
start running. To run, you have to press some key like what she's doing now. Press Q is pressed. Yeah, then yeah, this
When
is
Q
good. Yeah,
key is pressed, then hide like that.
no, it will hide. Then what? Will it continue? Press Q. Will it run?
Mm, no, sir. No, it won't run.
Why? Then where is another trigger point?
Sir, can you bring
Uh,
back the message?
No,
Sir,
I think you would have coded for green flag in some other sprite also. Some other sprite or backdrop.
yes,
We
sir.
won't press.
Each and every sprite I've coded as a green flag itself.
Yeah, show me where it is starting. Hide will not start. No. Where is the starting point?
sir,
Is it
sheen
in the
active.
backdrop? Click on the
Sir,
backdrop. Let's see the code. I have coded anything in the backdrop.
yes, sir. Yes, sir. I've coded backdrop also.
Yeah. It's actually starting in the backdrop. You have to do that Q code here in the backdrop.
Yes, sir.
Then you got the problem, right? In all the sprites you have coded for when green flag is clicked.
Yes, sir.
How do you now make it smart code? Instead of changing going back and changing to green flag, how do you ensure you give the trigger in only one place?
Sir?
Everybody got my question? I am asking you. Now she has coded that when green flag pressed in all the sprites.
Yes, sir.
That is basically then the problem. Now whatever change I'm asking you to do, it's a painful change, right? You have to go back and change. Tomorrow if I ask you to go and change it to F, you have to go and change in all sprites. Anybody else
Yes,
who
sir.
has how to do it in a much more efficient way?
Sir, so like when you tell like Q, so when she changes once, then she broadcasts that all of them starts.
Very smart answer. Yes, that was the answer I was looking for. Manasvi, do you know what broadcast does?
Sir?
You know what broadcast does, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So now, as Sri said, in the first trigger point, that means you have to code only once. When Q is
Yes,
pressed,
sir.
broadcast, start the story. Then
Yes,
all
sir.
the sprites, you say, when I receive start the story, I do this.
Yes, sir.
That means you can now program the trigger for any key, not just Q.
Yes, sir. Now
That
we
means it
can
has to be
do
there
for
in one
any.
place. Then rest of the thing you just broadcast. You send the message and do something with broadcast.
Yes, sir.
Okay, then what else problem might come for the visually impaired people?
Sir, one more problem is they cannot see anything.
Hmm.
They cannot experience the colors, the
Hmm.
animation.
Hmm. So how do
And
you do that?
who the blind people who wants to code, they cannot see the code and learn.
Yeah, we'll come to the code later. First, let's see how do they listen to your story. How do they appreciate? For example, there is a hill or there is a rising sun. How do they understand that there is a rising sun and what color?
Sir, so she records in a voice that the sun was rising and the hills were shining and like that, so that
Yeah,
he
that means each and
directly
every parameter you have
imagine
to
like that.
explain, right,
Yes,
Shri?
sir. We need to explain.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, means when you are reading a book, right? In book, they are there explained so detailed way, right? That's why we like reading the book. There was a
Yes, sir.
green grass, there is a colorful flowers, there was a red rose, like that. They will
We could
try and
describe the situation a lot more.
means there is a house, there is a hut, there is a roof, how many windows, how
There's
many
a
doors.
small hut.
Everything you have to spend time, right?
Yes, sir. We need to describe each and everything.
Then only it will be useful.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, one is the trigger point. How do you trigger? That's one point which we solved now, but still we don't know how to solve the voice interface.
Yes, sir.
So for voice interface, again, it needs some trigger. So you can try it out. It's not difficult, but it
Yes,
takes
sir.
some patience. Again, it will need some keyboard input to activate the voice. Then once it gets activated, then you can take the command. For
Yeah.
example,
Yes,
there are
sir.
sample codes which you can search where if you clap once, it will do something. If you clap twice, it does something. There's such example codes are there.
So, sir, that
Ha.
when you tell it
Sir,
like
so where can we find this type of code, sir?
If you search, you will get it. Shri, you're
Yes,
asking
sir.
something?
yes, sir. So the thing you told about that clap, so they would the program would absorb the sound. If the clap is like this, then do this, and if it is twice, then do this, right?
Yeah, yeah. Now, anyway, let's search. Manasvi, can
Yes,
you
sir.
just click on search? No, they're only in the same.
Here.
No, no, hold on. Click on.
Yes,
Yeah,
sir.
here, search. Now you
Yes,
say
sir.
clap. Just search clap and see what comes. Clap. Leave. Yeah, leave. No problem.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Let's see the second one. Clap run script. Yeah, let's run and see what happens there. You can start clapping your rhythm anytime. No, let's read. Playback the recording. Clap rhythm. See the code. Let's see the code. What they are doing.
Yes,
Click
sir.
see inside. Click. Yeah. Now define set graph. Anyway, you understand this and see how they have done it.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then you see if how you can bring this into this.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Yeah. Any questions, others? Okay then. Thank you and have a nice day.
Sir, maybe it is like we need to start recording and we need to clap a rhythm and we could see the recording.
Yeah, that's one use case, but not necessarily we want to record every time. We will just also use how to play it. That's also
Yes,
good
sir.
usage.
Yeah.
Okay. First of all, how do you identify you are clapping? So that also you have to find out.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Chalo then. Have a nice day and good job. Happy learning.
Thank you.
Thank you,
Thank you,
sir.
sir.
Thank you, sir,
Thank
and
you.
all. Bye.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Thank you, sir. Bye.
Bye, Manasvi.